the day, our classrooms relied on chalkboards, notebooks, and conventional approaches. Today's generation, however, has grown up with technology as an integral part of their lives, leading to a transformative shift in our teaching methods.
So students, it's time for us to experience what we just learned. Come on, let's go to the pond.
Keen observation, all the bones are connected in one place. It's not just about having technology, it's about transforming how we teach and how we learn. With LoiLoNote's AI-based web filtering, we can securely share our ideas and keep everyone aligned. Teachers have a full control to allow or block websites and tailoring the internet used to our educational needs without any worries. LoiLoNote is really a powerful tool for a creative classroom, and this makes kids more engaging.
Introduction of LoiLoNote here at JIRS has been a truly transformative experience, not only for the teachers but also for the students. We are now able to take our classrooms out of the traditional desks and P4 walls.
Since the implementation of LoiLoNote School in Jain International Residential School, I could see the change in the teaching learning process where the classroom has become vibrant. The teachers and students are learning a lot using this technology app. So it is like creating more curiosity and building a lot of inquiry-based learning in their minds.
Supposed to do. So come on, let's start collaborating. LoiLoNote has also facilitated differentiation in our classrooms because we understand that each and every student has his own style and pace of learning.
Introducing quizzes in the game mode is really an incredible experience for the children. You can see children are fascinated by the animations which is related to the concepts which they are learning in the classes. The children are so excited to take up the quiz form in a game mode, and it really works.
Ayan, so we were delivering our presentation and we will be narrating what we have seen in the board.
The water rippling that we saw at the. This is the mimosa plant which closed its leaves inward and drooping down.
With LoiLoNote, the kids are absolutely thrilled. Their engagement is higher, their creativity is off the charts, and they are accomplishing things we never imagined. It's as if a whole new world has opened up for them.